PNI RJ45 connector is perfect for making an Ethernet connection with a shielded network cable or installation cable. It is compatible with CAT7 cable with internal wires between 1.1 mm and 1.5 mm. The RJ45 CAT7 connector connects easily and securely to PC, laptop, modem, set-top box, STB, printer, router, hub, ADSL, etc. Thanks to the metal case, the RJ45 connector guarantees transfer speeds up to 10 GB, ensures better data transmission and higher signal strength than an unprotected connector. The RJ45 CAT7 Ethernet connector is designed with a special extension for fixing the cable, an extension that can be adjusted to the thickness of the cable to ensure the stability of the cable plug connection. Gold-plated connectors provide both better transmission and oxidation protection. With the special part included, you can easily follow the sequence of the wires and their correct arrangement according to the T568A or T568B standards.